Hi, my name is Sean Pollard with Veurink's RV Center. We're located in Grand Rapids, Michigan, and today I'm going to take you on a video tour of the brand new 2020 Astoria 2943 Bunkhouse by Dutchmen RV. At just over 29 foot and under 8,700 pounds, this half-ton towable fifth wheel with bunks is sure to blow your mind. The interior features a fully functional electric fireplace that you can have with or without heat and turn the flame on or off or change the color, which gives it a really dynamic feel on the inside. It also features a radio with interior and exterior speakers, Bluetooth functionality, and a DVD player. We also have a television that's built into the counter, so you can raise up the television and watch it if it's a rainy day outside and you need to relax, or if you want to lower the television down, open the blind and have a huge window facing right to your campsite, you can really bring the outside into your RV. We also have generous sized glass insert cabinets above the television. Moving into the kitchen area, you can see we have lots of cabinets up here to fit your plates and your bowls and your cups. And we also feature Furrion stainless steel appliances with a nice microwave, vent hood, a cooktop that has a glass topper that you can use for extra counter space or as a backsplash, and we've got our LED lit Furrion oven. The galley also features solid countertops, so these are not going to be any T-mold. This is going to be a seamless countertop, which is going to prevent you from having any issues with water causing delamination here in the kitchen. A beautiful backsplash that's going to keep your wall paneling clean, and residential style faucets. We do also have this really cool pop-up power outlet here in the kitchen. So if you want to plug in your toaster or your coffee pot, you've got a space for it, or if you don't, you can just hide it away. We also have this really cool class exclusive sink cover. Now you might see this and go, well, what in the world would you do with something like this? What's great about this sink cover is you can pick it up, slide it over to one half, wash all your dishes here, let them drain on the other side, and you're not taking up counter space while your dishes are drying and trying to get clean. The rear bunk room features two teddy bear mattresses with double-sized bunks. Each bunk has its own window, its own light, and two USB outlets for each kid, so they've got places where they can charge their devices. There's also plenty of storage room back here. We've got two cabinets. The bottom cabinet is a taller cabinet that actually has a hanging rod as well for their hanging clothes. There's an additional window on the off-door side of the bunk room and a pocket door to give everyone privacy at night. The slide-out features LED backlit slide-out fascia, which is a really cool and unique feature that I love about the Astoria. We also have a 6.3 cubic foot stainless steel Dometic refrigerator. This is a two-way refrigerator. It will work off of both propane or electric. We do also have an oversized U-shaped dinette, which will fold into a bed. You could actually sleep 1 to 2 adults here. As we move back to the sofa, this is actually a trifold sofa, so this will make out into a good sized bed. It's going to be a lot more comfortable than a standard jackknife bed, so it's actually a more comfortable couch and a more comfortable bed. And then we have large storage here. This would be like your pantry area. So lots of storage here for food items, additional dishes, and then you have this nice 2-level look to the cabinets instead of having everything just straight across the top. And then we add the crown molding up above as well, which really gives it a nice residential touch. Your convenience center is going to allow you to check all of your holding tank capacities, your battery level, allow you to turn on your water pump and water heater, and run your awning and slides all from one central convenient location. The bathroom in this trailer is awesome. So I'm 6'2", and I can stand up in this shower with no problem. The skylight gives me a little bit of additional headroom, but I don't even need it. We also have a 3-piece glass shower door here, so it really feels like you're taking a shower at home. The bedroom features a walk-around bed, nice nightstands on either side of the bed with USB outlets and plugs, and spacious overhead cabinets. I love the frosted lit cabinets above the bed, and a gorgeous front window, which we'll get to in a second. There's also a wardrobe slide that features 3 mirrored cabinet doors, hanging storage, and drawers underneath, so you have plenty of room to take your clothes when you go camping. The main reason that this Astoria is so light, remember this is half-ton towable, is because of its construction. This rig features a 5-side aluminum construction, so the only thing that's wood as far as the framing goes is the roof trusses. We've got a one-piece seamless roof on top that has a 12-year warranty. This is also a 50 amp trailer, which is pretty crazy for a half-ton towable coach. We have 2 air conditioners with ducted air and ducted heat through the flooring as well with our furnace. And we also have a generous size awning with outside speakers, outside kitchen, exterior TV mount. I mean, this place is really set up to entertain outside. The pass-through storage here in the front under the bedroom is huge. You've got plenty of room for your exterior mat, your chairs, your hobo pie makers, your hot dog skewers, you get the point, whatever you want to take. There's also a huge storage area in the back underneath one of the bunks that you can get to from the outside that has its own light. You can also see, if you look in here, you can see the raw aluminum framing in here that they use, which is why it's so light. And this black piece of fabric here is actually a moisture barrier that's going to protect the inside of your coach from any water infiltrating from the outside. The fully molded fiberglass front cap is beautiful. You can see where that window was that we saw from the bedroom. We've also got 2 sets of LED lights. The upgraded Rotoflex pin box over the standard pin box. This is going to help eliminate some of that chucking and some of that rough ride that you get from other fifth wheels. You can also see as the cap wraps around the sidewalls. In a lot of the competition, the sidewalls and the cap meet up here at the front and they create a seam, but not with Astoria. We've actually gone and wrapped it around the side so that your sidewalls go up to the front. That's one less place for water to get into the camper. We have also equipped this one with solar prep so that if you want power on the go, you're already ready to roll. We've also equipped this with what is called a quick recovery water heater. This is only a 6-gallon water heater, but it can recover almost 18 gallons of hot water an hour. So if you're a dad with a couple of daughters, guess what? You get to have a hot shower too. We've also got a roof ladder on the back so you can get up and clean off your roof and your slide outs before you go, and it'll hold at least 270 pounds. Your docking station features a light and part cable hookup. We also have an exterior spray port, a water heater bypass valve, which is going to make winterization a breeze, city water hookup, a black tank flush, and your gate valves. One of the nice things about this is that since all of your gate valves are inside, they're going to be heated. So if you're camping in the winter, it's not going to be a nightmare trying to dump before you head out on the road. So that's our video review of the 2020 Astoria 2943 Bunkhouse. If you've got a half-ton pickup or you're just looking for a light camper that is going to be easy to tow, can sleep about 100 people in it, and has tons of storage and loaded with features, this is going to be the camper for you. Again, my name is Sean with Veurink's RV Center. If you found the information in this video helpful, give us a like, subscribe, follow us on Facebook, follow me on my work Facebook. I like to post videos as often as I can. And if you're interested in purchasing this camper, shoot me a call or a text at 616-965-9603. I hope to hear from you soon.